Imagine this. You're driving down the road when suddenly your car starts making this worrying, roaring sound. You've got an exhaust leak. But here's the real question. How long can you safely keep driving? Today, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about exhaust leaks. And trust me, what I'm about to tell you might just save your life. Understanding exhaust leaks. Before we jump into how long you can drive with an exhaust leak, let's understand what we're dealing with. Your car's exhaust system is like your body's respiratory system. When something goes wrong, everything gets affected. And just like breathing problems, exhaust leaks aren't something you want to ignore. Now, here's what typically causes these leaks. First up, rust and corrosion, the silent killers of exhaust systems. Think about it. Your exhaust is constantly battling road salt, rain, and chemicals. Over time, small pinholes turn into bigger problems. Then there's impact damage. You know those nasty potholes you hit? Yeah, they're not just ruining your suspension. Your exhaust takes a beating too. The real dangers. Now, here's where things get serious. Driving with an exhaust leak isn't just about that annoying noise. It's about your safety. Carbon monoxide poisoning is a real threat here, folks. This invisible killer can seep into your cabin without you even noticing. But wait, there's more. Fire risk? Absolutely. That leaking exhaust is extremely hot and can ignite anything flammable underneath your car. And speaking of performance, your engine's going to suffer too. We're talking power loss, worse fuel economy, and those dreaded check engine lights. Hey, if you're finding this information helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more car care tips that could save you thousands. And speaking of saving money, head over to yourmotorcare.com where we've got a detailed article about this topic with even more in-depth information. How long can you actually drive? Alright, let's get to what you've been waiting for. How long can you really drive with an exhaust leak? Well, it depends on the severity. For pinhole leaks, you might get away with 100 miles, but I wouldn't risk it. Quarter-inch holes, no more than 50 miles. Anything bigger, you shouldn't even be driving. And here's the kicker. If you can smell exhaust in your car, stop driving immediately. Call a tow truck. Your life is worth more than the towing fee. Temporary fixes and repair costs. Now, what about those temporary fixes? Sure, there's exhaust tape and epoxy putties like JB Weld, but remember, these are temporary solutions. They're like putting a band-aid on a broken arm. Let's talk money. What's this going to cost you? Economy cars, $200 to $400 mid-size sedans, $350 to $750 luxury vehicles. Brace yourself, up to $2,000. Prevention and maintenance. Want to avoid all this hassle? Here's what you need to do. Regular inspections. Get under there and look for rust or damage. Address small problems immediately. Don't let that tiny hole become a bigger issue. Keep those protective coatings intact. And hey, while we're talking about car problems, check out our video on why your car might be overheating. You'll find it in the end screen. These issues often go hand in hand. Look, here's the bottom line. Exhaust leaks aren't something to mess around with. While you might be able to drive a short distance with a minor leak, it's not worth risking your safety or your car's health. Get it checked out immediately. Your life could literally depend on it. Remember to hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and drop a comment below, sharing your exhaust leak experiences. We'd love to hear from you. Stay safe on the roads, and we'll see you in the next video.